Hi and welcome to another video with Health and Stuff. We are glad that you are here. In this video we will be discussing a popular drug, caffeine. We will talk about the health benefits, the negative side effects, and even the recommended daily dose. Health benefits of caffeine. Boosts physical performance. Caffeine is a well-known performance enhancer. It can improve your endurance during exercise, as well as your strength and power output. In fact, caffeine is so effective that at one point it was banned in many competitive sports. However, the ban was lifted back in 2004. Many pre-workout supplement formulas have caffeine as the main ingredient. Increases alertness and concentration. Whether you're studying for an exam, getting an early morning workout, going on a road trip, or hard at work, caffeine can help you stay focused and alert. It does this by blocking the neurotransmitter adenosine, which makes you feel tired. Lowers your risk of death. Regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of death from all causes, including heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Protects your brain. Caffeine may also help prevent cognitive decline. For example, it's been shown to improve memory and reaction time in older adults. It may also help protect your brain from Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. Reduces your risk of depression. Depression is a serious mental disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. Caffeine may help reduce your risk of depression by increasing your serotonin levels in the brain. In one study, women who drank 4 or more cups of coffee per day had a 20% lower risk of developing depression. Lowers your risk of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a neurological disorder that affects movement. Caffeine may help protect your brain from Parkinson's disease. In one study, men who drank 4 or more cups of coffee per day had a 60% lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease. Lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a serious disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Caffeine may help reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. Caffeine can help to regulate blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It does this by increasing insulin sensitivity and helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. In one study, men who drank 4 or more cups of coffee per day had a 50% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Lowers your risk of some cancers. For example, it's been shown to reduce the risk of skin cancer and colon cancer. Caffeine helps reduce risk of skin cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells, and by reducing inflammation. Boosts metabolism. Caffeine can increase your metabolism by 3 to 11%. This means that you'll burn more calories even at rest. Reduces inflammation. Caffeine can also help reduce inflammation throughout your body. When inflammation occurs, the body's natural response is to release histamines. These histamines cause the blood vessels to dilate, which can lead to redness, swelling, and pain. Caffeine works by blocking the release of histamines, which reduces the inflammation. Caffeine can help to relieve headaches and migraines. Caffeine does this by a couple different ways. 1. By restricting blood vessels, causing the inflammation response to reduce. 2. It may block certain receptors in the brain that are involved in pain perception. Caffeine can help to prevent cavities. It does this by reducing the amount of plaque-forming bacteria in your mouth. Negative effects of caffeine. Unfortunately, caffeine can have some negative effects on the body. This is mostly dependent on the person and their tolerance levels. Caffeine is a stimulant of the central nervous system, and it is the world's most widely consumed psychoactive substance. Caffeine can be found in tea, coffee, over-the-counter medications, energy drinks, and in most soft drinks. Negative effects of caffeine include anxiety, insomnia, restlessness, nausea, vomiting, headaches, fatigue, addiction, withdrawal symptoms. If taking too close to bedtime, it can cause restlessness, anxiety, and insomnia. High doses of caffeine can lead to nausea and vomiting. Caffeine is an addictive substance. Withdrawals can lead to headaches, nausea and fatigue. Some people are more sensitive to the effects of caffeine than others. Caffeine, if taking too much, or too close together, can cause anxiety/panic attacks. It does this by triggering the release of stress hormones like adrenaline. Caffeine can also increase heart rate and blood pressure, which can further contribute to feelings of anxiety. Recommended daily dosage of caffeine. For the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, 400 mg is a safe amount for adults to consume daily. Now, this is mostly dependent on someone's tolerance. So too much for that person can cause the previously mentioned negative effects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If there is a video you would like me to do next, put it in the comments section below.